Hello. I had this wonderful idea of the mukbang videos where everyone eat in their safe spots, like at home, like the hotel or something. I don't know. I was like, hey, what if we do a mukbang in a hello? Yeah, I mean this place looks a bit scary. I don't like this place. This place literally looked like something that came out of an apocalyptic movie, with literally the buildings being overgrown by plants, and also this place is untouched by humans for many years. I can confirm that, because the last time I was 5, people already told me the place was abandoned. Oh yeah, and about the haunted part, I'll show you why later. I bet you guys are wondering how I got that table. Doing this daytime seems a bit too easy. Ah, now that's better. Here we are with our perfect setup. And we have more food to the right side. I know you can't see it, but it's okay. So, do I just stay quiet and just eat? That's a lot. What's that sound? I heard something. I mean, to be fair, we are in an abandoned building at night, in the dark, with noodles. Delicious. I got a real question. How do mukbang people finish this? Like how? Crazy. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're wondering how I made this is how. I'm getting overwhelmed. Let's have a little story time. Like the dinner table type, you have your little stories and stuff. Although I'm not at the dinner table, I'm in the middle of nowhere, and it's also haunted. Why is it haunted, you ask? Well, you know what? How about I just pull up a clip? You guys go check it out. Like, it's at the side here. Look.
If you're there, throw it back. Chills number 9. If y'all can hear that, it's a very faint knock, but to us it was quite loud because we can feel the vibration. So yeah, continue video. Okay, was that you?
Did you watch it? That was me, my brother, here, 5 years ago. Or 6, I'm not sure. Somewhere around those times. Yeah, it was pretty scary, innit? I didn't like it either. Chance of it happening again? Never 0. You want to bring it? I'll give you my cameraman. Alright, with that over with, now we have this, whatever this is. I like how I'm just speaking so casually, like, oh no, it's so carefree and stuff. Like a homeless man might attack me, bro. Wow. Wow. No, I should be like that one TikToker, that Japanese guy. Itadakimasu. Oh. That's pretty good, actually. You want some? You want some? Here you go, here you go. Delicious. I hope you guys can see it. Can you? You can't. I'm sorry. Honestly, I feel like I can't finish this. You grab it. I'll give it to my cameraman again. Now, since we've eaten all that, look, my cameraman finished it. We have like all these and stuff. In the meantime, you know what time it is? Ghost hunt time. Right? We are going exploring. Okay. Okay, so far this place looks pretty terrifying. That's why we got our bricks. That's upstairs. Okay, you know what? Let's see if there's something here. If there is anyone, or anyone don't make sense. If there is anything here, can you throw something? Yeah! I'm sorry what it's called, camera angle, but you know, variations, you know. So now we got super ring. Oh yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little paranormal hunt there. Chill is fake. It's just my cameraman. Alright, now let's eat this little chip. I don't know if you guys can see that. I generally do not know. Whoa. What was that sound? I'm sorry. I'm enjoying this a bit too much. In the meantime, we should have another ghost hunt. Alright, we are exploring this section now because I'm pretty sure I heard something. Something's not right about this place. What is that? Okay, with the extra food, you know I can't finish it. Oh, my cameraman. There's too much food, so I'm just gonna give it to my siblings at home. Yeah. Look over there. Subscribe.